Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started learning about the lesson number 3, the Earth and its neighbors. Yes, dear student, in the previous class we have learned many more things about the solar system. With the image also, I have tried to explain you, understand about the lesson, the Earth and its neighbors. Yes, dear student, in this lesson we have learned what is solar system. First of all, solar means of the sun or from the sun. This thing we have learned, and dear students, we have learned that our solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and also some other smaller objects. Is it, dear student? And these all things, the planets and the smaller objects, they move around the sun. Is it, dear student? And we have learned about the 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, dear student? And here we have learned about the each planet also. So here Mercury is the first planet from the sun, and it is a very nearest or closest to the sun. Mercury is very closest or nearest to the sun. Second, Venus. Second planet is second planet from the sun, that is Venus. And dear student, it is a very hottest planet. Next to the Venus, the third planet, that is Earth, where we are living. Is it, dear student? Our Earth, this is also called a blue planet. And dear student, the Earth is blessed with natural resources like land, water and air, and these all things support the life on the Earth. Okay, so after the Earth, the next planet is Mars, and this is also called as red planet. Okay, dear student, and after the Mars, the next planet is Jupiter, and Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Understand? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. And next to the Jupiter, here Saturn. And dear student, this planet is surrounded by bright rings. About the Saturn, this planet is surrounded by bright rings. And next to the Saturn is Uranus. Okay, here Uranus, this is a third largest planet from the 8 planets. This is the third largest planet in the 8 planet. And last one is Neptune. Okay, dear student, Neptune is very farthest or 8th planet from the sun. These all things we have learned. And dear student, earlier the Pluto was also counted as a 9th planet. But however, it is removed from the planets group and it is now called a dwarf planet. Nowadays it is called a dwarf planet. Why it is removed from the planet group? Because it is too small to be a planet. It is considered to be a very small planet. Because of this, it is removed from the planet group and now it is a dwarf group. Understand, student? And these all things we have learned in this lesson. And dear student, besides the sun, 8 planets, the solar system consists of natural satellites or moon. Natural satellites or moon of the planets and asteroids and comets. The solar system consists of these all things. With the sun, 8 planet, it consists it consists natural satellites, the moons, natural satellites or moons and asteroids and comets. Okay, dear student, moon, this is the Earth's nearest neighbor. And when we look up at the sky at night, we see the moon is shining brightly besides the stars. And it is the natural satellite of the Earth and it moves around the planet Earth. Okay, like the Earth, many other planets also have natural satellites or moons revolving them. Okay, so revolving around them. So what is asteroid and comets also we have learned in this lesson. Dear student, first of all, asteroid means the chunks of rocks and metal found in the solar system. Okay, and this is called the asteroid. In the solar system, we can found chunks of rocks and metals. These are the asteroids. And in between Mars and Jupiter, here the asteroid belt is formed. Okay, so this belt is located in between the main asteroid belt. This is located between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, dear student. So now what is comet? Comet is a mass of ice, dust and rocky particles with a long tail. Okay, dear student. So this is all. Once again I have revised about the lesson. Dear student, after this we have solved the activity also. We have solved the evaluate part, that is fill in the blanks I have solved. Choose the correct options I have solved. Match the following also I have solved. And dear student, after that I have solved the word grid. Means we have searched 8 planets in the grid. And after that, dear student, part E, answer the following questions. I have solved question number 1, 2 and 4 and 5. Third question I have not solved. Dear student, I have told you to, so I will solve in the next class. So this is what draw and label the solar system in your notebook. So that only today I will draw here solar system, that you have to copy in your homework book. Okay, dear student. So question number 3 is draw and label the solar system in your notebook. Okay, so I will start drawing now. Dear student, first you draw the outline like this. Okay, means in this we will draw the solar system. Okay, dear student, so here is the sun. This is called the sun. Next, dear student, after this okay, dear student, so this is the sun, the first planet, and I will remove this because it is very close. Okay, the first planet is Mercury. This is Mercury. So the next planet is Venus. And dear student, after this, Earth. And after this, Mars. Then dear student, the biggest one, this is the Jupiter. After this, Saturn, and it is surrounded by bright rings. And the next one is Neptune. Okay, dear students. This is the Mercury. And this is the Venus. This is the hottest planet. Then our Earth is blue planet. Next, Mars is red planet. Next, Jupiter. And then Saturn. Okay, dear student, and this is the Neptune. Here little bit rings. Okay, dear student. Here sun is hottest, means it is a sun. Okay, dear student. So this is here the sun is a big ball of fire. Sun is a big ball of fire, and next to the sun is Mercury. So it is very closest to the sun, and after the Mercury, Venus. This is a very hottest planet, and after the Venus, the third planet is Earth, where we are all living. After this, Mars. This is also called as red planet. Okay, dear student. So here in between this, dear student, in between Jupiter and Mars, here one asteroid belt is formed. Okay, here asteroid belt is formed between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, this is the asteroid belt. Okay, dear student. So this type colorful the solar system you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, dear student. So this is about the diagram of solar system. So you also try to draw very neatly, do it coloring to all the planets and send it to my personal number. Okay, dear student. So this is also the means I have solved question number 3, that is draw and label the solar system in your notebook. I have drawn and I have given the name of each planet. Okay, dear student, you also try to draw very neatly and give the colors for each planet and complete it in your homework book. Till here today I will stop. In the next class again I will continue this lesson. Thank you.